I am not happy because I didn't do well in my math test. I didn't study yesterday, so I struggled to answer the questions. I should have studied, but I really wanted to watch my favorite TV show. I had to make a decision. Do I study or watch TV? I chose to watch TV. I don't like studying after school because I am always tired. I like to watch TV and relax in my bedroom. My teacher told me that I have to redo my test because I did not pass. I went home that evening and I had to make an important decision. Do I study or watch TV? I chose to study. I studied really hard and I am glad I did because I passed my test.